How to add payment in Green GSM. So hey guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to add payment in Green GSM. To add some payment in Green GSM, all we need to do is open up our Green GSM. So right here on our Green GSM, you can see right here, to add a payment here at Green GSM, all we need to do is open up a Green GSM. So this is very useful for those who want to automatically pay online and don't have to bring cash or what, and it's much more convenient. So you can just get in and out of the car without any hassle. It's like hassle free, so you don't have to ready the money or what. You just have to just go in and out. So here, all we need to do, and plus it gives you a few bonuses, especially if you have their wallet. But yeah, anyways, here we go. Let's get started. All we need to do is open up our Green GSM and then click on accounts right here. After pressing accounts right here, you'll see payment. Press on the payments right here. So right here, the payment, we have cards. So cards you can use here like GCash, or maybe credit cards, debit cards, any of those right there. As you see right here, your account will be deducted 10 pesos for the first time you add a card. This amount will be refunded within 7 working days. There you go. And all you need to do is click on continue. There you go. And then you're gonna put in the order information like your wallet, something like that. And here you have the Maya wallet. You can use the Maya wallet if you have a Maya wallet. It's like e-wallet. You can go put in your number and then your password right there. After doing that, you can do the BPI right here. BPI online, logging online, or you can do Union Bank online right here. Add your payment, so on, so forth right there. So you can add right there in your Union Bank direct debit. So yeah, there you go guys, that's how you do it. That's how you add payment here at Green GSM, and then all you need to do is just book a ride and then you're off to go. There you go guys, hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, concerns, type it down comment section below guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible on here, How to Rock It guys. So there you go guys, and thank you guys.